In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get design ideas in PowerPoint. Creating engaging presentations is an essential skill, whether you're a student, educator, or professional. Sometimes, however, designing a visually appealing slide can be a challenge, especially if you're short on time or inspiration. That's where PowerPoint's design ideas feature comes into play, offering a wide array of suggestions to make your slides pop with ease. To begin, you'll first need to open PowerPoint on your computer. If you've used PowerPoint before, you're already familiar with this step. Simply locate the PowerPoint application on your desktop or from your software menu and launch it. Once the program is up and running, it's time to access the presentation you want to work on. This could be a new presentation or one you've been working on previously. Navigate to the File menu to open an existing presentation or start a new one by selecting New Presentation from the home screen. With your presentation open and ready, your next destination will be the Design tab. You can find the Design tab along the top menu bar of PowerPoint. This tab is your hub for all things design and style related in your presentation, housing various tools that will help you tailor the look of your slides to suit your needs. Once you're in the Design tab, direct your attention to the right side of your screen for the Designer button. Clicking on Designer will activate PowerPoint's intelligent design suggestions. This feature is like having a graphic designer at your side, providing you with a series of layout and style options that automatically fit the content you've entered on your slides. Now, here's where the magic happens. This tool analyzes the elements you've placed on your current slide, be it text, pictures, or graphs, and comes up with professional looking design suggestions that you can preview right away. Simply scroll through the options generated by Designer and decide which suggestion fits your vision best. With each click, you can see your slide transform, making the entire process interactive and engaging. Remember, the choice is yours on how to use these suggestions. You can adopt them in full, or use them as a base, tweaking and modifying the design further to really make it your own. This feature not only helps save time, but also inspires new ideas, enhancing the visual appeal of your presentation without you having to design from scratch. I hope you find this tool as helpful as many others have. It's a real game changer for making your slides both professional and engaging. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.